Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. We have reached 30,000 subscribers. OMG. I can't believe I made it this far. When I first started on YouTube, I only had 100 subscribers, and here we are today at 30,000. Thank you for all the support and following me on this incredible cooking journey. I love and enjoy what I do, from sharing recipes to my southern hospitality. I am truly grateful for this opportunity to share my gift to all of you. Again, thank you. Now we're on to 31,000. Let's keep on cooking. And I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.